Guys, I'm taking two kind of biscuits. One is Mary biscuits and second is Candy Original. And I'm using condensed milk. Condensed milk is Pulak condensed milk and mangoes. You can see I'm making two bowls of mango um, delight. So I will take almost 6 to 8 mangoes. So four mangoes for making mango puree, and rest of them for garnishing. I will take two big mangoes like this. So stay tuned with me. Let's make a yummy recipe, mango delight. Guys, I'm putting Mary biscuit in the blender, so we will crush it and make a powder. Okay guys, take 4 packs of Nestle milk pack and put it in a bowl and put it in refrigerator for half an hour, 30 minutes. Now let's put cream in the blender. We will blend it for some minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes. Okay, let's put all the cream in the blender. Okay, I have put all the cream in the blender, so let's blend it for some minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Okay, let's put 6 spoons of condensed milk. This is big spoon. Okay guys, after adding condensed milk, this one, after adding condensed milk, 6 big spoon, this one, and now let's mix it very well. I have used Pulak condensed milk. So now mixing cream and condensed milk. Okay guys, now put 4 mangoes in this mixture of cream and condensed milk. Let's put mango. Guys, to make a gelatin, we need a half cup of water, half cup of water and 2 tablespoons of gelatin. I am using this gelatin unflavored. You need to put 2 spoons. So let's put 2 spoons of gelatin. 1 spoon. And 2 spoons. I'm making 2 bowls, so I'm putting 2 spoons. So let's mix it. Okay, mix it well so that it will not make a jelly. So now we will put it in blender and cream mixture. Okay guys, now let's put gelatin in the mix, this mango and cream mixture. And now let's cover it and mix it well. Okay guys, cut the mangoes in block shape like this, and let's make layer in this kind of big bowl. So first put biscuit mixture. Okay guys, this is the first layer. I would like to add some chunks of biscuit, brown biscuit in this layer so that it will be more yummy when the chunks will come in your mouth. Let's add some chunk of candy biscuit. More. Okay, now we will put the paste, cream paste in it. Okay, let's put the mixture layer. Put aside. Cover it. Add more mixture. Okay. So this is the top layer. Let's again add some chunks of biscuit like this. Let's put one more layer of biscuit mixture. This is candy biscuit mixture. You can spread it. Cover it. So it is covered now. Now let's put the layer of mixture again. Now let's spread it and put more mixture. Put the biscuit layer with the yellow mixture. Let's cover it. Okay, it is covered now. Guys, now I'm going to decorate it. Let's garnish it. This is a candy biscuit mixture. Put one more line here. Straight line. Put one more line. Put one more line. Okay, 1 2 3 4 lines. Now let's make a cross line. One line here. So now let's put mangoes. Guys, now I will put mangoes. You can put it later if you want, but let's see if it will not sink. Thank you so much for watching my video. Okay guys, so now I will put this mango delight in freezer for about 5 to 6 hours, and then we will serve it cold, yummy mango delight. Thank you so much. Bye bye.